everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Entiry Summer Collection. As you can see here, it says, "Hey cutie, summer season is looking bright with our new collection." So this is inspired by the crisp, bright tones of summer and the luscious fruits of the season. So it says that you're in for a sweet treat with 6 indulgent shades. We excitedly await to see your fun and bold looks using So Fresh. So yes, I love working with Entiry products. They are so awesome. They send me their collections every season. So I just wanted to say thank you, quick shout out to them. This company is really great if you're just starting out. If you're new to gel polishes or acrylics, this is a really great starting point. So their gel polishes are really creamy. As you can see, they apply very nice, very smooth, very opaque, and just very easy to work with. And not only that, they also have a really good price point. So again, if you're starting out and you just wanted to try something, try a few acrylics and some gel polishes, you cannot go wrong with Entiry Beauty. So I am going to let this video run so you guys can see some of the polish swatches, and I will be back as I show the acrylic swatches. So now we move into the acrylic portion of the video. As I've said before, any type of acrylic that is usually really highly pigmented will have a little bit of color separation. So I have experienced that with Entiry Beauty. I also have experienced it with many other companies. So I just wanted to show you these swatches. So it can be used as a dip or as acrylic. I prefer to use it as acrylic. I'm really not much into dip anymore. I kind of think it's phasing out. I don't know, in my opinion, I think it is. But so they are 1.5 ounces, which is, you get a pretty decent amount. I know the Not Polish is usually like 2 ounces, but that's a really nice amount to start out with. And I don't know if I mentioned, but the gel polishes are 1.5 milliliters, which is also 0.5 fluid ounces. So they do give you a lot of bang for your buck. And as you can see, the colors here, so bright, so vibrant, perfect for summer. I do love how some of them do have like that little fleck of glitter. This color here is probably my favorite. And this gorgeous color reminds me so much of like cherries. And then you have this gorgeous magenta also with sparkle in it. My mother, whose nails I did, chose this color, which is just stunning. Love that color as well. This and the blue just reminds me of like, I don't know, like sunflowers. It's like a sunflower yellow. And then the blue is just really, almost like a periwinkle. Or even like a baby blue, because when the color separates, it kind of looks like a cloudy baby blue. But I still love how these blend. They look so pretty. They level out very evenly. Those are all the things I look for when I work with an acrylic. This right here, so I'm going to show you, I'm going to try and attempt at some nail art. I'm not perfect. I wanted to do some 3D art. So yeah, we're gonna try that. But I want to show you, look how beautiful this blends. Again, this is what I look for. So I usually use Kiara Sky Monomer, but I did run out of it. So I am working with Not Polish Monomer. Works just as good. But look at that blending right there. And this is so gorgeous. I want to do a set like this. So I am going to be using my 3D acrylic art number 4 brush from Profiles Backstage, another wonderful company. I will leave a link to them below. They have the cutest decals and accessories and different things that you need. You gotta check them out. So yeah, this is me trying to like make leaves and stuff, and it's just, yeah, no. So then I made an attempt at actually doing a sunflower, or my rendition of a sunflower. And when you have the tools, you can create the art. When you have the imagination, you can do it. So don't be afraid. Like, listen, it's been a while since I've done anything like it, and I think that looks pretty good. And here's my mother's nails I did for Mother's Day. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.